I'm still in the guest bedroom trying to figure out the cabinet doors. I loved this wallpaper so much I decided to put it up in the bathroom. Peel and stick wallpaper is such a pain in the... Now moving on to the floors, I want to do a simple pattern because I don't want it to compete with the wallpaper. I'm using this tub and tile paint from Dwil. Once you add the hardener and mix it up, you have 12 hours to use that can of paint. I refreshed the white layer. It was so easy to use. This was done so fast. The second part, not so much. I made my own little stencil, if you can call it that, and then went in with this dark gray paint. To say painting this by hand took a while is an understatement. I listened to Brittany and Jamie Lynn Spears' books during this time and have a lot of thoughts. The fact that this tub and tile paint is low odor was huge because my nose was right up in it. It was really easy to work with and I was impressed with how fast it dried. It wouldn't be a project of mine if I didn't second guess everything. I need your thoughts on the pattern. Back to the doors, I mocked up a couple options. I still love the idea of the dark wallpaper, but now is it too much next to the bathroom? And which tile pattern do you like? If I have to add 2 more triangles to every corner, I'm thinking maybe listen to Brittany's mom's book, get a third perspective.